What's going on there?
Just keep pressure on profiles, spin around on him.
Here we go.
Walk him down, walk him down. Start walking him down. Let's get in the back of the boat, guys. Walk him down. Heads up, heads up.
Up and down. Just run right to the top.
Put your rods down, guys. Let him walk right over the top. You gotta go under. Yeah. No, you're over the top, over the top, over the top. Here you go.
Like so. Which way are we on your line, Mike?
I'm straight down here now.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna get picked.
Okay, I got a good fish here. This seems like a real good fish.
What time did we hook up? About 25 minutes ago.
Okay, I'm on about, what do you say, about 25 minutes on this fish now.
Here, he's off, he's off, he's off.
Look at this on a 40-pound rig. I got a tuna. I've had him where I saw color twice already, but as soon as he kind of saw that boat, he just headed on back down again. Here we come. Come on now, let me get some line back, dude. Is he going under the boat?
Hook up at about 12:15.
Okay. Well, I hooked up at 12:15. Captain Paul said that he saw something on the screen down around 60 to 85 feet. So I took my light rod just for kicks, threw a fresh butterfish on it, dropped it down 65 feet, and then I went to my other pole, the 50 TW, and put a fresh squid on there. I was with Captain Paul, and all of a sudden this thing just took off like a bat out of hell. And these fish are tough. Don't let anybody kid you.
Pull straight out so it doesn't go under the boat.
My line's getting frayed, so I could feel it. He must have been touching the boat.
Going that way, passing on.
Okay, now he's straight down now. He's straight down now.
Got the yellow? Okay, we gotta stand off a little bit.
All right, he's tired. Come on now.
Yeah, Steve's got
Come on now.
We got one. Do we have the other one?
Here we go. Here we go. There's the weight. There's the weight.
Hey, there's color. We got color. Hey, if that comes up, grab that weight. You bet.
Give me a long gap, quick.
Hey, bud, switch over with me, Paulie, switch over with me.
No, I'm coming right under.
Come over the top, come over the top. There you go. Grab that weight off. Top that baby off.
Walk up. Don't walk up. Keep out of the anchor line.
Okay, boom. Walk towards me a little bit there. Okay, there you go.
Don't worry about the weight. Go get off the tip of the rod.
Hey, we've got color.
Okay, we got color now. There's my weight. Come on now, 10 yards. 10 yards. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah!
Got him. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Look at that! Whoa!
Look out, Paulie.
Oh!
There you go, bud.
Woo! Look at that fish!
Reggie!
Oh! Oh man, 40-pound test. Oh man, what's the time? Whoa, 35 minutes. 35 minutes.
Drag him down the light. Drag him down the light.
Hey, nice one, Mario. Thanks, man. Woo!
That thing went vibrating his hands off.
Woo!
Yes!
Oh man. What a beauty. See if we can wash them down a little bit.
40-pound test. I can't believe it.
40-pound test, you see it.
That's incredible.
And I'll tell you something. 40-pound test, this line is all frayed, man. He must have hit the boat. It's all twisted. Yeah, it's just twisting us on its own. And I saw color twice, and he made his runs. Nice gaff there. Nice gaff, Mario. Good work. Well done. That's a good-sized fish. Think we can wash him down a little bit?
Sure can. Yeah, let's get the hose. Hey, Steve, bring the hose down here.
Woo! Whoa, look at the colors in that baby. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. 40-pound test line, you know. It's a tough thing to do on a boat like this. And I really had no idea how big the fish was till he finally started to make that second run. I knew he was up there. It wasn't like the first one from today. Okay. Yeah, about 66 pounds. 66 pounds. Beauty.
That's a hell of a fish.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.